There is no place on Earth quite like Klein High School. This wild jungle is home to some of the planet's most impressive scenery and beautiful animal populations, specifically its Homo sapien population. Here we have Hasina, a lone Homo sapien female who hopes to find a mate in time for the summer. We'll observe her mating preferences that relate to the biological concept of sexual selection through her selection of one mate among 3 Homo sapien males. Meet our competitors, Salman Alokman, Damour Raja, and Hassan Khan. Let's see who will win over the heart of Hasina. Here we have Salman, and he has just laid his eyes on the beautiful Hasina. Let's watch as he approaches her. Hasina seems to like Salman's body, and science can explain why. Women in general seem to prefer a V-shaped athletic body on a man. A strong and well-defined upper body with a narrow and slim waist definitely takes part in female choice sexual selection. A muscular body is a sign of a male's good health, ability to protect himself and his mate, and his ability to produce viable offspring. Hasina also expressed her liking for Salman's beard, another trait that females often base their selection on. A group of Australian researchers from the University of New South Wales conducted a survey with over 350 women on their preferences for male facial hair, and the overwhelming majority agreed that a bit of stubble was the way to go. Experts in human evolutionary psychology claim that from an evolutionary standpoint, men with a bit of stubble would have been considered more dominant, masculine, aggressive, and socially mature.
I may not have good vision, but I see me and you together.
Get your crusty gorilla ass out of here! Oh, I hate pickup lines!
Unfortunately, despite his beard and body, Salman's horrible pickup line blew his chance with Hasina. Next, let's watch as our second candidate, Damour, tries to win her over.
Hey, do you know what teenage boys and DNA helicase have in common?
What?
They both want to unzip your jeans.
Damour may have found the key to Hasina's heart, because according to researchers from Northumbria University, humans perceive a good sense of humor as a sign of both intellect and social intelligence, features that women are evolutionarily geared to be attracted to. The logic behind this being that an intelligent man would better be able to provide and protect a woman and her potential offspring.
Oh, you're so funny! I think I'm in love! Can I get your number?
Sure.
Oh my god! Is that Quizlet? You're such a cheater! Can't mate with a cheater! Get away from me!
Damour was harshly rejected by Hasina, but hopefully he learned to never again use Quizlet to cheat. Lastly, we have Hassan.
Oh goddamn! Who's that tall boy up there looking like a sexy light bulb?
Hasina seems to be interested in Hassan's height, and according to a University of Utah published study, the idea that a woman's preference for taller men actually dates back to her caveman days, where physical protection and her potential offspring were integral to a woman. She would have been evolutionarily geared to gravitate toward taller men who had a clear physical advantage in a confrontation. Hassan seems very excited that Hasina has noticed him, and let's watch as he approaches her. Hasina also seems to like Hassan's strange dance moves, but science explains why. Rhythmic, twisting, bending, and fluid movements are an evolutionary sign of coordination and an ability to survive and produce healthy offspring.
Will you marry me?
Hell no! I've only been married for like 30 seconds!
Hassan too has been rejected by Hasina, and hopefully he has learned that rushing into things too soon is not a good idea. Poor Hasina is left with no mate.
Oh Oh, these people are so weird. I don't think I'll ever find love. Ah.
Hey, the men's restroom's all in the toilet paper.
Oh my god, you have such a deep voice.
Thanks, pretty lady. Say, you wanna go to HEB with me and get some toilet paper?
Yeah, sure. I finally found a me!
Hasina has found love, and understandably, because according to researchers from University College London, women perceive a deeper, huskier voice as a sign of being physically larger and stronger, which women are evolutionarily geared to find attractive.